Hi, Jess here with Digital Empire, and welcome to FBA Elite Review. Is Darren Lynch a scam? So in this video, we're going to do three things today in this video. One, we're going to really do a comprehensive review of FBA Elite so you can make an informed decision. Second, we're going to look and see, and is it worth it or is it a scam? Number three, are there other options? And so if you like videos about internet marketing, please press the like button, subscribe today, and for full transparency, I'm not affiliated with this program, but if you stay till the end, I have a free special gift for you. Why listen to me? Well, I'm an author, I'm a speaker, I'm a coach, and a serial entrepreneur, and I have tried everything. And when it comes especially to Amazon FBA, this is a really important review for me to give you. And I have tried crypto in addition. I had my own online shop through Amazon. I invested money in different various coaching groups, and I've had bad experiences and good experiences, and I feel compelled to help you and to give you all the facts so that you can make an informed decision and be at peace. So that's what I hope to do today through this episode. So let's dive in. Who is this for? Anyone wanting to ditch the 9-to-5, have their own shop online, work in the Amazon FBA space, and create extra income on the side as a main gig as well. So who created this course? It is Darren Lynch. Darren Lynch is an e-commerce FBA businessman and mentor, and he's a YouTuber. He has earned over $300K, and he helps both new and seasoned FBA sellers on Amazon. He is very transparent in his business dealings, and he's very transparent about his Amazon journey on YouTube, and he's upfront about his struggle and successes in the business. What's inside the course? When you get onto the website, you'll see this is the main page here. Module 1 is getting started. Module 2 is all about Amazon, what it's about. Number 3, product research, sourcing, shipping and importing your product, reviews, marketing and sponsored ads, running your FBA business, the legal bits, and resources and templates. So that's what's in the program itself. The pros of this program is that it's thorough and it's detailed. He's very transparent about his journey. He's active in the forums helping others, and he updates his information. The cons is that it's more geared towards UK people in the business. And I lived in the UK, so I know about him in that way. But it doesn't teach automation in the business via outsourcing, which is really important in this business. And there's no outside reviews. And I double and triple searched, and there's nothing on Trustpilot for the reviews for this particular program. And so what do the reviews say? Well, most of them are inside of the website, right? But again, there's not really a clear picture of the course with no outside reviews at all. It's all inside of the website. The cost is a one-time fee of $4.99. Now that's pretty good. I mean, the additional would be $99 for optional mentorship, and there is a refund policy. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee for the FBA Elite course. The verdict is that it's thorough, it's detailed, it's transparent about the journey. He's transparent about his journey. He's a great community forum, updates his information. It's geared towards the UK. There's no reviews, and it doesn't teach automation, which is key in this business. So it's important to note, and this is going to be in a later video, but it's important to note the big question, is Amazon for you? And that's another video, because Amazon is a whole nother animal all on its own to this, and there's a lot of factors, and it's a lot of trading time for money. So I hope this was helpful. Overall, I do think there are other ways to make money online for sure. And so as promised, here's my link to my free gift. Here are some advantages of affiliate marketing. You can be working with companies that offer products or services that align with your interests, and by promoting these, a commission is earned, and so you can get money on commission per sale. And the affiliate marketing is the easiest and fastest online business model, and it's perfect for people wanting to start an online business. And so you're selling other people's things, and you get a size of the pie, and it's key, and it's amazing because it starts to add up. And so a few benefits of this is that you get to work anywhere from home, you get to work on your own time, It's a low startup cost, no overheads like it would be in Amazon. There's no product management. You don't have to worry about percentages or paid ads. The soul sucking ads, it has nothing to do with this, which is great. And you can automate your business in your earning potential. And so there's no selling and no customer support to have to deal with, which is great. And so you can do this part-time, or you can do it alongside a full-time job, or you can go full-time into this job. There's no limits with this. And so just press the link below in the pinned comments under this video to get your 3 proven steps to quitting your 9-to-5 job. Grab yours. You're going to love it. Here's a screenshot of it right now. You click here and you get your free book, download instant access. And so I want to thank you for coming along with me on this review for the FBA Elite Review. And thank you for joining me on Digital Empire. Thank you. And we will see you on the next episode. Bye, guys.